Quick, excuse me, quick update, YouTube. Fellow train geeks, model railroaders, foamers, rail fans, whoever you are. Anyway, was cleaning out some stuff out of the house today, and I came across a very interesting surprise. So let's take a look at it. All right, there we go. I found this Athearn Blue Box about 20 years ago. I forgot I had bought it, and guess what it is? Let me open the box here. It is a 5-car intermodal set that I totally forgot about. And if you bought this from Athearn today, it would be assembled in, I think, about like $100+, something like that. So this was quite a find. There are the trucks. I think I already put, metal wheels. I'm not getting the focus right. Anyway, so you can see I have a little interesting project I can work on. Can't work on it now, but I'll be able to work on it later. I'm very happy I found this. Totally forgot about it. All right, that's a short little update. Talk to you later. Bye.
Baby steps?